December is a time of reflection and preparation, a chance to look back at the year and step into the next with clarity and purpose. But what if you could make this December different? Imagine if, instead of rushing through the days, you slowed down and focused on habits that strengthen your mind, calm your emotions, and guide your actions. As Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. This is a reminder that peace doesn't come from perfect circumstances, but from mastering your thoughts. Think about it. How often do we let distractions pull us away from what matters? Epictetus taught, we suffer not from the events in our lives, but from our judgment about them. What if, this month, you could learn to judge less, react calmly, and focus on what you can control? What if, instead of stressing over things beyond your reach, you used each day to practice wisdom, courage, and kindness? In this video, we're diving into 10 Stoic habits you can adopt this December to not just survive the season, but truly grow through it. These habits are rooted in ancient wisdom, yet they're timeless tools for modern life. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have practical steps to turn December 2024 into a month of strength, focus, and peace. Habit number 1, morning reflection. Start each morning with a moment of quiet reflection. Ask yourself, what will I face today, and how will I meet it with wisdom and patience? Marcus Aurelius often prepared for his day by anticipating challenges, saying, you will meet ungrateful, arrogant, deceitful people. The point isn't to dwell on negativity, but to ready your mind for what may come. This practice creates mental armor, ensuring you respond with virtue rather than impulse. Keep it simple. Take 5 minutes in the morning to visualize your day and commit to acting with kindness and strength. Habit number 2, journaling for gratitude. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Seneca said, true happiness is to enjoy the present, without anxious dependence upon the future. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what you already have. It's a way to train your mind to see abundance, even in small things like a warm drink or a kind word. This habit helps you end your day on a positive note, making you more resilient to challenges. Habit number 3, embrace voluntary discomfort. Train your mind to handle discomfort by deliberately stepping out of your comfort zone. Epictetus advised, difficulties show a person's character. By doing things like taking a cold shower, walking in bad weather, or fasting for a meal, you remind yourself that you can endure more than you think. This builds resilience and gratitude for the comforts you often take for granted. Habit number 4, practice mindful detachment. Let go of things you can't control. Marcus Aurelius wisely noted, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Imagine a heavy rain ruining your plans. You can't stop the rain, but you can choose how you react. By focusing only on what's within your control, your thoughts and actions, you free yourself from unnecessary stress. This habit helps you stay calm and present no matter what life throws at you. Habit number 5, perform daily acts of kindness. Every day, do one kind act without expecting anything in return. Seneca wrote, wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. It could be as simple as holding the door for someone, giving a sincere compliment, or helping a neighbor. Kindness not only brightens someone else's day, but also strengthens your character and reminds you of the value of community. Habit number 6, focus on what's essential. Simplify your life by focusing on what truly matters. Marcus Aurelius encouraged, if you seek tranquility, do less. This doesn't mean doing nothing. It means cutting out distractions and prioritizing meaningful tasks. Identify the few things that align with your values and put your energy into those. This habit will help you feel less overwhelmed and more accomplished. Habit number 7. Read Stoic philosophy. Daily, dedicate a few minutes each day to reading Stoic texts. Epictetus advised, don't explain your philosophy, embody it. Reading reinforces the values of resilience, discipline, and wisdom, keeping them fresh in your mind. Whether it's a passage from Meditations or a letter from Seneca, you'll find insights that guide your actions and refine your thinking. Habit number 8. Pause before reacting. When faced with frustration or anger, pause and take a deep breath. Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. This habit prevents knee-jerk reactions and helps you respond thoughtfully. Practice this by counting to 5 before speaking or acting, giving yourself the space to choose calm over chaos. Habit number 9. Reflect on mortality. Remind yourself that life is fleeting. Marcus Aurelius reflected, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say. Far from being morbid, this practice encourages you to live fully and intentionally. It helps you let go of petty worries and focus on what truly matters, like spending quality time with loved ones or pursuing meaningful goals. Habit number 10. Evening review. End your day by reflecting on your actions. Ask yourself, did I act with virtue? What could I improve? Seneca said, the greatest remedy for anger is delay. By reviewing your day, you catch patterns in your behavior and find areas to grow. This habit fosters self-awareness and helps you start the next day with purpose. As we wrap up, remember that these habits aren't about perfection, but about progress. They're tools to help you live with purpose, strength, and calm, even in a busy month like December. Marcus Aurelius said, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. By practicing these habits, you're training your mind to focus on what's good, important, and within your control. Think of this December as your chance to finish the year with intention, setting the tone for a stronger, wiser version of yourself in 2025. The Stoics believed that small, consistent actions lead to great character. Seneca reminds us, well-being is attained by little and little, and nevertheless is no little thing itself. So, take 1 or 2 habits to start with and build from there. Even small steps can lead to a profound transformation. As you step into tomorrow, carry this thought. Every action, no matter how small, is an opportunity to live with virtue and grace. Thank you for watching, and as the Stoics would advise, go live a life true to your values. If you found these Stoic tips helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.